Looking to browse Chrome in a way that won't store all of your session history on your local computer? Well, this is Tech Simplicity, and you're watching Incognito Chrome Explained. What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Chrome in a way that will stop your web browsing history, cookies, site data, and information that you enter into forms from being saved on the device that you're using Chrome on. This is extremely helpful if you are using a computer that is publicly accessible, or even if you share a computer with different people in your household. On top of this, it helps to keep unwanted and unneeded files off of your computer that, over time, can cause issues. That being said, I want to ensure that this disclaimer is vividly present and stressing that this method does not hide your internet traffic from your internet service provider or anything of that sort. It simply keeps prying eyes that are literally physically around you from seeing what goes on during your web sessions after you walk away from your computer. So please, use the internet responsibly. With all of that out of the way, in order to complete this, there are three methods. The first is to right-click the Chrome icon on your taskbar and choose New Incognito Window. The second is to open Chrome normally and then click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and choose New Incognito Window. Or the third method, you can open Chrome normally and hold Ctrl and Shift and press the N button on your keyboard. Each of these methods will open a new incognito window within Chrome and allow you to browse without having to worry about things being saved. As a final note, if you choose method 2 or 3, I suggest closing the normal Chrome window that you initially opened so that you don't get mixed up and start browsing in the normal instance of Chrome during your session. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe for future content, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time.